If you're in your 20s and want to start video editing in 2026, this might be the only roadmap you'll ever need. I started with zero skills, zero connections, and no idea what editing even was. Today, I've worked with million-dollar brands and get offers from top creators. And the crazy part, this story isn't unique. So here's a simple 7-step roadmap I wish someone gave me when I was starting from zero. Before you even open editing software, understand this. 80% of a good video is not editing. It's design. Graphics, layouts, text, animations, these all come from design, not editing. Start with 2 design tools, Photoshop and Illustrator. Photoshop helps you create assets like cutouts and textures. Illustrator helps you design clean visuals and UI elements. You only need 2 main tools, one editing software and one motion tool. Use Adobe Premiere Pro for editing. Use After Effects for animation. Or go with DaVinci Resolve if you want a free option. Just pick one. Don't try to learn everything at once. Stage 1. Beginner. Your goal is not perfection. It's understanding the basics. Learn the interface, make simple edits, and understand basic cuts and color correction. Stage 2. Intermediate. This is where your edits start looking professional. Learn music-based editing, basic animations like scale and position, sound design, and simple color grading. This is where most beginners level up fast. Stage 3. Advanced. This is where you stand out. Learn motion design, advanced transitions, and VFX like tracking and rotoscoping. These skills separate you from 99% of editors. Try different styles, YouTube reels, documentaries, but once you find your style, stick to it. Your portfolio decides everything. Keep only 5 to 7 strong edits. Remove average work. Quality beats quantity every time. There are 2 ways to get clients: freelance platforms or personal branding. Freelance platforms give quick work. Personal branding brings high-paying clients. And one more thing, AI is changing everything. Tools like Midjourney and text-based editing can make you faster than ever. Follow this roadmap and you'll grow faster than 90% of editors. Comment start if you're serious and check the next video to learn AI editing.